Yeah, bring that.
Should have had your Ghostbusters hat on.
Should have had that and that little.
He's absolutely, he's absolutely terrible with directions.
You're the same height as me. There's my tripod for this, and he knows it. But those random times are like one in the.
Did he really?
What yeah. What do you think?
Okay, so we're gonna need that.
Where's that at? You got the keys for it?
Well, it ain't here.
Oh, that didn't work.
So we're trying to fit. Trying to put